Homework 7.3a. So we're going to do number 5 with the table method. And to guide you, it's already written the first one on the side and this one x plus 3 on the top. It doesn't matter if you write x plus 1 over here or x plus 3 over here. It really doesn't matter. So they decided the x plus 1 goes here and x plus 3 goes here. Again, it doesn't matter how you write. So for number 5, I'm going to multiply x times x, that is x squared. X times 3 would be 3x. 1 times x is x and 1 times 3 is 3. Now you can either combine the like term or rewrite. I would combine it like that anyway. So I would write x squared. X plus 3x is 4x plus 3. So I combined the like term inside the box without rewriting. For next one, for number 7, z times z is z squared. Z times 3 would be 3z. Negative 5 times z is negative 5z. And negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. These two terms are like terms, so I'm going to combine within the box. So z squared minus 2z minus 15 is your final answer. Next you're going to do is we're going to write the a negative 3 on the top, a plus 8 on here. A times a is a square. A times negative 3 is negative 3a. 8 times a is 8a. And 8 times negative 3 is going to be negative 24. Combine 8a with negative 3a. So a squared plus 5a minus 24. For level 2, I'm going to use a FOIL method. So g times g. G times g is g squared. G times negative 2 is negative 2g. Negative 7 times g is negative 7g, and negative 7 times negative 2 is positive 14. So g squared minus 9g plus 14 is your answer. Again, we are going to do the FOIL method. 3m times m is 3m squared. 3m times 9 would be 27m. 1 time m is m, and 1 time 9 is 9. Combine the like terms, so you're going to get 3m squared plus 28m plus 9, and that's going to be your answer. For number 13, I'm using the distribution method this time. So I'm going to write 6 and multiply with the 2 minus s, and then I'm going to write 5s and 2 minus s. Distribute the 6, you get 6 times 2, 12. 6 times negative s is going to be negative 6s. Negative 10s, 5s times negative s is going to be positive 5s squared. This is the highest degree term, comes in the front. Combine these two, you get negative 16s, and then constant, that is 12 at the end. 5s squared minus 16s plus 12. For number 14, we are going to describe and correct the error in this problem. So what is here, if we distribute this t with t plus 5, then we should write it as t times t plus 5 and negative 2 times t plus 5. So when we distribute the t inside, we get t squared plus 5t and negative 2t times negative 10. So we got here is t squared plus 3t minus 10. So our answer should be t squared plus 3t minus 10. For number 20, I'm going to use the FOIL method. So 5c times 6c is going to be 30c squared. 5c times 5 would be 25c. 6 times 6c is 36c. And 6 times 5 is 30. Combine the like terms, you get 30c squared plus 61c plus 30, and that's going to be your answer. For number 21, I'm going to use distribution method. So 5d times negative 7 plus 3d times negative 12 times negative 7 plus 3d. We're going to distribute the 5d first and then negative 12 inside. So what I got here is a negative 35d plus 15d squared plus negative 12 times negative 7, and that's going to be 84 minus 36d. You're going to write the d squared term in the front and then combine the like term. Negative 36 minus 35 is negative 71 d plus 84, and that's going to be your answer.